In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a game against a bot on chess.com. First, make sure you're logged into your chess.com account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials on the homepage and confirm you're on the official site. Once you see your account dashboard with your profile and menu, you're ready to begin. Being logged in ensures your game results, settings, and preferences are saved and synced. Next, move your mouse to the play option in the top navigation. Don't click yet, just hover over it. This opens a panel with different ways to play. Take a moment to glance through them because this is where you can quickly decide what kind of game experience you want without jumping between pages. You'll see several choices. Live Opponents lets you play real people in real time, which is great for competitive practice and rating progress. Bots lets you face a computer opponent, perfect for warming up, practicing specific ideas, or playing without time pressure from another human. Play as a Coach offers guided support in certain scenarios, helpful if you want hints while you learn. Tournaments are structured events where you can join scheduled competitions. And 4-player Invariance covers fun modes like 4-player chess or alternate rule sets that change how pieces move or how the game flows. In this walkthrough, we're going with bots. This is ideal if you want a controlled environment to practice openings, test tactics, or just enjoy a game without the unpredictability of human opponents. Move your mouse over to bots and click it to open the bot selection screen. Here you'll typically see different computer opponents organized by rating or personality, but don't worry about the details for now. The key is that you're in the right place to start a bot game. Now click on play. This launches the game board against the selected bot. Your pieces will appear on the screen and you'll be ready to make your first move. If the board takes a moment to load, give it a second. A quick refresh can help if your connection hiccups. From here, just play as you normally would. Make a move, watch the bot respond, and continue until the game ends. And that's it. You logged in, hovered over play, saw your options, chose bots, clicked it, and then clicked play. You're now on a live board against a computer opponent. Keep this flow in mind because the same play menu is your starting point for live matches, tournaments, coaching modes, and variants whenever you're ready to explore more. Happy playing and enjoy your practice game.